In each city, there is a unique charm that captivates visitors. In the case of Brașov, the heart of Transylvania, one distinctive aspect caught our attention: the endearing sight of people strolling hand in hand. Couples of all ages traverse the historic center, absorbed in the city's stories and architecture. What stood out was not only romantic couples but also friends walking hand in hand, a gesture of camaraderie. Discovering these distinctive behaviors, which may not be commonplace everywhere, adds a special touch to the experience. It's a delightful way to explore and immerse oneself in the Transylvanian atmosphere. The desire to stroll hand in hand could be attributed to the enchanting architectural and natural surroundings, fostering a sense of affection and closeness. Alternatively, there might be historical reasons for this charming phenomenon, even though it might not be prevalent in other Romanian cities we've visited. Currently, I find myself in a city nestled in the Transylvanian region, embraced by the Carpathian Mountains. Brașov is renowned for its medieval Saxon walls, Gothic black church, and vibrant bars. The cobbled streets of the city center, adorned with Piața Paratu Luz and Plaza dos del Concejo, add to the enchantment of this historical destination. Surrounded by vibrant Baroque buildings, charming facialo houses, and a converted old town hall now housing the local history museum, Brașov has a way of captivating us. Wandering aimlessly through its streets, we find equal significance in both the historical and the whimsical. The city unfolds with colorful Baroque architecture, and we often lose ourselves in its streets, capturing glimpses of daily life. Amid the crossing images, we acknowledge the possibility of missing out on the best and most relevant, but that's the essence of embracing freedom and the quality of life. Quality of life in a city encompasses various dimensions: lifestyle, housing, economic conditions, and satisfaction in education and employment. It's a subjective experience that varies from person to person and place to place. In Brasov, Transylvania, this parameter holds significant importance. Unconstrained by rankings, ideologies, or impositions, we explore places that define quality of life. Our goal, throughout the year, has been to discover and share these experiences with you. Looking beyond statistics and focusing on the faces of the people, we contribute to understanding the unique charm and essence of each place, Brasov being no exception. As the afternoon deepened, Brasov embraced us. Walking through its streets, the sun's reflection on the hills and buildings turned increasingly reddish. Indulging in a plate of local delicacies or simply savoring a drink in the city center is a must for any visitor to this beautiful destination. Exploring the nearby towns, including Bran, home to the legendary castle of Count Dracula, is another unmissable activity. However, we'll save that for another video. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the charming sight of people strolling hand in hand through the city center. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.